neck pain like Jane does is bothering you, go see a professional, get your neck done. Stop cracking it yourself.
Relax right here for me. We're gonna get some movement here. Very good, okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good, okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Get a little bit of movement in here, okay? Very good. Very good, okay. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale. We're getting full spine movement here for her. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Excellent. Very good. How are you feeling right now?
Good.
Good. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent.
Good. You okay?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Good, nice.
Man, that drive did a number.
Adjust her back here. I want you to take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Good. Take another deep breath. All the way out. And one more time. Blow it out. Okay. Now I want you to lay on your side towards me. Take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right, turn on the other side. All right. One more time. Fantastic. So hopefully after we do this adjustment to her, it reduces her pain levels. Sorry. Doing some stretching on our neck to loosen it up before we do the adjustment. Okay. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to have you sit up and swing your legs out to the right.
Beautiful. How'd that feel, Nicole?
Beautiful.
Good?
And exhale. And just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't say, do you feel that all the way down for your benefit? I'm talking that for the patient's benefit. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah, all the way down.
Okay.
Big time.
And yes, he's still kicking. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more. There it is.
Wow. Never seen a neck that tight. Okay. There it goes.
Oh my God.
All the way out. Oh yeah, good job. Feel that all the way down?
Yep.
Okay. And she's still kicking, good. Okay. Let your head go right in my hand heel. Move your right big toe. That's it. Then the left here, let it go. That's it. Good. Okay. And then we're gonna get into her lower thoracics here. That's perfect. Mid thoracics and upper thoracics. There. And work all the way back down to T12. Okay.
Same thing on the side. Deep breath. Oh. Nice. Let's go face up for me. There we go.